For decades, space was the playground of giants, massive multi-billion-dollar satellites that were as vulnerable as they were expensive. But the paradigm is shifting. We are witnessing the drone-ification of Earth's orbit, moving from monolithic assets to agile, sovereign infrastructure. In the new space race, size is no longer the metric of power. Resiliency, speed, and software-defined capabilities are the new currencies. The traditional space architecture relied on high-capital, too-big-to-fail systems. One mechanical failure or one kinetic intercept could end a decade of work. Today, venture capital and deep tech engineering are fueling the rise of constellations. These are swarms of low-cost, high-intelligence orbital units. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's an asymmetric advantage. It allows smaller nations and private entities to challenge the traditional space superpowers. Consider the software-defined nature of these drones. They can be repurposed, updated, and retasked while in orbit via simple code deployments. This agility provides a tactical flexibility that was previously unimaginable. We are talking about responsive space, ready to react to geopolitical shifts in real time. For investors, this represents a shift from capex-heavy, decade-long bets to more iterative, scalable, and resilient orbital business models. As we move forward, the infrastructure of space will look less like a museum of billion-dollar relics and more like a dynamic, living network. This is the drone-ification of orbit. It is the decentralization of high-ground intelligence, making space accessible, defensible, and undeniably sovereign. The future of space isn't just about exploring new worlds, it's about mastering our own through agile, intelligent infrastructure. The revolution has started. Are you ready for the next era of orbital power? The asymmetric age is here. Let's build the sovereign space of tomorrow today.